Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have quite a quick video for you where you're seeing this towards the end of June, and at the start of June I was on the incentive trip for Stampin' Up and we were on a cruise around Alaska. So I'm filming this about a day and a half before I go, so hence why it's a short video, but I thought I would share the gifts that I put together for my team. I have actually had 6 of my team earn the trip and 5 who went on it, 7 including me, 6 going on the trip including me. So I put together a pack for all of them and then just added a little tag onto each. So I'm going to open up one of them so I can show you what I put inside. So Alaska, cold, we're there for the snow and the ice and the stuff. So inside here, so a little journal for all of them, so a little journal and notebook with stripy pages so that they can write down things that they've seen, maybe stuff that has caught their eye. So they've all got one of those, they're all in different colours. So they had one of those, and then one of the days we was to sail round a glacier at 5 o'clock in the morning. So I've got 2 packs of hand warmers. These are, so that's one pair of hands and then that's another pair of hands because all of them are bringing a guest with them. So 2 packs of those. I remember when we did the Alaska trip, I think it was 2018, very cold at 5 o'clock in the morning when you sail up around into the side of a glacier and then do the 360, really cold. And then some beautiful tissues. These are my favourite kind of tissues, and I don't want to open this one, but I wonder if I've got a spare pack handy. No, I haven't. They open up like a wallet, like that, and then you can slip the tissues in and out, and they're really sweet. I love these. I always have these in my handbag. And then finally, got to get that fitted back in there, just a little packet of handy wipes, and just for disinfecting. So that's on the top because, you know, we're on a cruise ship and disinfectants might be required. So I have those 5 for the lovely demos who earned the trip, and they've all got a little tag on just saying congratulations. And then I participated in swaps this year. I don't always, I think I did last year, but I haven't always. It kind of depends on where my health is at, and they've reduced the numbers now. So previously it was cards or 3D projects, or cards and 3D projects. You could do one or the other or both, and you were to create 25 plus an extra one for Stampin' Up to have, and you hand them all over to the Stampin' Up team, and then you get, and then later in the week you get 25 different ones back. This year they've added in a 3rd category, which is scrapbooking page. Couldn't think for a minute, and they've taken the numbers down to 15 each. So, and I, being a 3D girl, created just a simple 3D project, which I put all these together, and I thought, do you know what, I probably should have filmed a tutorial, but it's not hard. What I've got is this is a crunchy chocolate bar. I do have some spares. How I've got spares left, I've no idea. Little crunchy chocolate bars. I'm told that these aren't particularly easily available outside of the UK. So yeah, I thought I would get those. So it's a crunchy in some paper now. Can you guess what the paper is before I tell you? Can you guess which paper pack this is from? So I've done 2 designs. This one with the stripe that it is not focusing. There we go, that one with the stripe, and that one with the tartan check. And then I pulled out some balmy blue and some basic white and used 2 circle punches, the 1 7/8 for the balmy blue, no, pool party actually, and 1 3/4 for the white. And then I used half Highland Heather and half Gorgeous Grape for my All Aflutter butterflies, which have flattened down a bit, unfortunately. They were all flying. So those are the 2 different colours, or different shades, so the darker and the lighter. And yes, it is Waterside Retreat, that paper, because, you know, I thought, well, we're on the water, why not? And yeah, so those are my 15 swaps. So just it's a very simple project. Oh, and it's grey granite ribbon in the back with a little little gemstone on the front. So just simple but pretty, and I think very effective. These make great table favours, which was partly why I put them together. And I hope I get 3D projects back. I do have this a conflict. No, I don't think that's the right word, but when I do 3D swaps, to me a 3D project is bag, box, gift, something like this. Often I will get back sort of 80% of my swaps will be fancy fold cards, and in my head that's a category on its own. There's cards, fancy fold cards, 3D, and then scrapbook pages, but apparently Stampin' Up! Class 3D fancy fold cards as 3D projects, so I don't know. Anyway, so there you go, and hopefully shortly after this you'll be able to see a video of my swaps that I've received. But I thought, yeah, I'd quickly do this, and like I said, it's about a day and a half before I fly, so I thought I'd better put it together quickly and share what I've made. But I'm very pleased with them. How I'm going to photograph them, no idea. Probably take one out of the packaging and do it like that. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me, and I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.